Hi, I'm Erica.
And I'm Jenny.
Today's tutorial is looking at the past continuous with the simple past. So what that means is we have the past continuous. You are in the middle of an action that is occurring, and then the simple past interrupts that action, okay? So let's look at it in a conversation.
Erica, what were you doing when I called you yesterday?
Yesterday when you called me, I was playing video games when you called me, and I called you back, but I guess you didn't pick up.
Sorry, I was taking my class at Harmon Hall when you called me.
Okay.
Yeah, what I wanted to tell you is that yesterday I was running to take the bus and I tripped and I fell in a puddle.
Oh my God, that's horrible. Did you break anything?
No. Well, I broke my phone screen.
Again?
I know.
Oh, that's horrible.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So, as you can see, it's an action occurring and then it gets interrupted by the simple past. You can see this in our course 7 here at Harmon Hall Puebla Juárez, 2424158. See ya.
See you later.